So the armrest in the Miata is kind of in the way. When I'm turning, I hit my elbow on it unless I'm like tucking it in. So I don't really need the armrest anyway, so I'm just going to delete it and I'm going to replace it with a toe strap. I actually saw it on Pinterest and it looked pretty cool and pretty simple. So I'm going to take out the armrest, I'm going to put this in its place. So this is going to be about as straightforward as they come. You're just going to remove the armrest, there's just 3 bolts, and then just put in the pull strap, which is this. And I'm just going to use the existing mounting hardware. So it's the pull strap, and then it's just going to be 2 washers here and here to hold the existing mounting hardware, so I don't have to drill a hole into the door. Pretty simple, which I need simple at this point. So there you have it. Pull strap installed. The toe strap itself was $20. The washers were like 35 cents a piece. All in all, I think it's well worth the investment. Now I just need to figure out what to do with these 2 big holes. I think I'm honestly tempted to replace the whole door card. I'm just using some MDF or something, like 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch MDF, probably 1/8 inch MDF. Because this is it's falling apart, as you can see. My chair is really beating up, but that could be a project for another day.